Hello sir, good day. This is again Arshad here from ZNK Motor Thailand Co Limited. Once again, a bulk shipment gone from Thailand to different countries of the world. As you seen in the video, today is the 19th of March 2025. We are making this video to thank our customer who can trust ZNK Motor and give us the opportunity to supply the good quality car at a good price. As you know that we are supplying single cabin, okay, smart cabin, okay, double cabin also. You can see this is a double cabin. Let me show you. And this is a Hilux Champ. And this is a commercial vehicle, Toyota highest computer, 15-seater, fully modified. We are supplying good quality car at a good prices. If you are interested in any car, you can let us know. We can provide you a good quality car at a very good prices. We thanks to our customer who can trust ZNK Motor and give us the opportunity to supply the good quality car at a good prices. Thank you so much, sir. This car is going to the different countries of the world. If you are interested, you can visit our website www.znkmotor.com, from where you can find lot of our stock. May God bless you. Bye bye.